Hello everyone, this is my first project. I was thinking of a project for so long. I was thinking, until I found out an idea. What about we make an aquarium, shall we? Because I've always seen like the ocean. I want to make my aim is to make like an aquarium with this like grim look, and it's like, yeah, but it still looks cool. That's what I want to make, and I will try to make an animation. That's like the extra bit, but I want to at least finish the model. So what you can do is basically select the camera and light and just press X and delete. So move around, you press middle mouse, and to scroll in you scroll in with your mouse, and you can press shift while holding middle mouse to like move around like that. You can rotate stuff by pressing R, so like RZ, and if you want to undo something, you press Control Z. It's probably in all softwares like Control Z. So now I've got a cube. I think we should so by default you'll be in this tabs, which is good. So we want the location on the Z axis, change it to 1. So it's sitting on top, it just looks nicer. And then press S, X, and say, that's what I want. Yeah, that's what I want. And what you have to do is scale it up, because I'm going to make this aquarium pretty big, I tell you. So then you can go to edit mode and select this face select and select the top, and then press X, delete faces. Then go to the modifiers tab and add the solidify modifier and change the change the thickness. Oh, one thing, I think we should SY. Then SZ. Yeah, that's good. So go to object mode. I press Control A. Location. Control A. Scale, and that's all. We change the thickness up again. And then what we want is add mesh plane. No, actually, delete. Change this to 1. Okay, now what we can do is, I think I'm gonna do this. So we can add mesh plane, and then GZ here, and then S scale. Wait, and then go up to press Z. So as you can see, it's kind of going out, so we can scale it down so it doesn't go out. And then press SX. Yeah. So now if we go out, it's like that. Mesh cube, and then G, and then move the cube up, G, move it here. And then we can go to edit mode, and in face select this face, press extrude, and then go to modify tab and press subdivision surface, and then change it up. Then you go to object mode, make it shade smooth, and change it up. And then we can press SX like that. Go to edit mode, Control R, and then Control R. Yeah, that's good. And then we can press RZ90, enter, and then GX here. Then we can go to Y-axis. So if we go to this angle, GZ, and just make it so it's just before that, and then scale it down like that, GZ. That. Go to edit mode, and then scroll in, press Control R, and put a controller by pressing Control R, and then put it downward. Okay, good. And then press the Z axis up here, and you want to Shift D to X. Put one in the middle. Shift D G X like that. Yeah, that's what I want. And yeah, that should be it.